welcome to another video on Mastermind Maths with Maths Olympic question. Can you solve it? Pause the video and try it. In the numerator, we can see that we have 50 to the power of 35. So first we will convert 50 into 25 plus 25. On the previous question, we have learned that the basis is same, so the power will be added, and this question power is added. This means that we can write it as separate base. It can also be written as. And the fraction part is we know that as a numerator and denominator power is same, so we can write as 1 power. Now 35 and 7 will get cancelled and we will get 5. Here we have two terms with same power and both are multiplied. Now we can written is in 1 power. Now 15 times 5 will become 175. So finally we get 25 to the power of 175, which is final answer.
Thanks for watching.